Day 12 lecture, or talking about your town. First, you need to know the vocabulary that we have discussed. So let's learn those words that are related to town. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hamid Talash Talks Day 12 lecture. In Day 12 lecture, we are going to learn about how to talk about town or talking about your town. کله چې غواړئ چې خپل ټاون باره کې خبرې وکړي یا چاته د خپل ټاون باره کې انفارمیشن ورکړي، په ټاون کې ډیفرنٹ ځایونه وي، په ټاون کې هوټلز وي، په ټاون کې ډیفرنٹ کیفیز وي، ریسټورنټس وي، لایبرری وي، ډیفرنٹ ځایونه وي. So when you are talking about your town, پهله خو تاسو دا پکار وي چې تاسو vocabulary د town related زده کړئ او بیا هغه structure use کړئ چې کوم تاسو ته need دی چې تاسو easily describe کولای شئ خپل town پکې. So let's learn those words that are related to town, or we can also say town related vocabulary. The first word is village, town, city. After that, hospital, police station, bus stop, train station, airport, school, factory, supermarket, store or shop. In American English, we call it store. In UK or British English, we call it shop. Pharmacy, the dawayanu dukaan. Clear? Bank, post office, library, museum, town hall, cafe, office building, park, restaurant, swimming pool, bridge, movie theater. In American English, we call it movie theater. In British English, we call it cinema. او پدې کې کنفیوز کېږي ما کې یو سټوډنټ وایي چې فور ایگزامپل should I use American or British English. تاسو دواړه یوز کولی شئ، لکه دا vocabulary تاسو دواړو کې یوز کولی شئ. It's okay because we are third language learners. دې کې به ځان کلم نه کنفیوز کوئ. Dear all, اوس دلته سوي after learning these words you need to know that specific vocabulary to describe your town. Town description the parabata your structures the K which is known as there is and there are. For example, tada town bara ke khabara ke je alta yo hotelum shta, there is a hotel, there is a cafe. Kala chi singular we, then you have to use there is. Aw kala chi plural we, then you have to use there are. For example, there are banks. There is a cafe, cafe yawada, banks more than one di. Nuzakataway there are banks, cafe yawada, toeche, there is a cafe. There is a shop, there are theaters. There isn't any church in our town. There is a masjid on the corner. That's how you have to use there is and there are to describe your town. There isn't, there aren't. They are the negative of there is and there are. For example, there aren't any banks. There isn't any crime in our city. The town condition described. Peaceful town. There isn't any crime in the city. So when you are describing your town, first you need to know the vocabulary that we have discussed, and after that you should go for the specific structure. And I hope this video helps you to understand and improve your English. Keep watching our 30 days crash course. You will learn more. Stay blessed and stay happy. Follow your own channel Hamid Talash Talks.